Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am natural hairstylist Sarita Skinner, and I was doing these twists on my client's hair, and I was like, you know what? I need to do a video because when you see these twists, like her hair is so thick, and they just they were bomb and juicy and yeah, so I just wanted to do a video of my method of twisting hair, or two-strand twisting hair. In the video, I am using Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance. It will be listed in the description box below. And when I twist, I love keeping the hair wet and saturated with either water or aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a great conditioner for your hair. It helps detangle. It helps smooth the cuticle. It is a great natural conditioner. So that's what's in my spray bottle. When you see it, is aloe vera juice. And I make my own oils because guess what? I know what's in those oils. So I have made up my little own oil concoction, and I'm just going to saturate her hair, and we going to get these twists popping. So if you want to see the end results, keep watching. So here I am spraying the aloe vera juice on her hair. I put a couple of drops of essential oils in my aloe vera juice for aromatherapy purposes only. And here is the Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance that I use to seal in all of that moisture. As you also can tell, at the top of her head, I have a plastic cap on the front part of her hair because I don't want that to dry out while I am twisting the back. Because regardless to what products say, regardless to what anyone says, moisture is water, okay? Moisture is water, period. Okay, and everything else you do helps seal in, okay, and lock in that moisture in the hair. So that's why I prefer to do my twists wet on wet hair. And while I'm twisting, I continuously saturate that hair with water, some type of liquid, whether it's a leave-in or aloe vera juice. I just like water or aloe vera juice because it's lightweight and the hair is more receptive to receiving, things that are more natural. So anyway, I hope you like this video, and I hope you'll give me a thumbs up if you want to see more natural hair videos like this. And guess what? I would love it if you would subscribe and become a part of the Bestie Squad, okay? Where we're going to do natural hair things. We're going to talk about makeup. We're going to talk about entrepreneurship stuff. Yeah. So just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and become a part of the Bestie Squad, all right?